Take a moment to check out the 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Enjoy the peaceful ride and peace of mind you get in this comfortable, safety-minded Tiguan. Its well-equipped, flexible cabin and driver assist tech add confidence to every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, power driver seat, electronic stability control, heated front seat, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Feel secure and poised in this thoughtfully appointed Tiguan. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.